So, good morning guys. Nasabta karon. So, biyahe na punta guys, padulong to going to San Franz. So, okay. Oras na to guys is alas 4:20. So, ang tangang naata karon diri guys sa hapit na Santa Irene. So, hinahinay lang kay dahil pang repair nga dalan. So, thank you guys. Please like and share guys and follow sa akong G-Vlog nga account. Thank you.
You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Me to courage again, oh yeah. You're the love that rescues me when the cold winter rage. And it's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me too far. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes I do. I need you like water, like breath, like rain.
So, naraday tao prosperidad karon guys. So, tag prosperidad. So, hinahinay lang ta. Kini nga lugar guys. Daghan kay mga kaagi dere guys nga din ako malimdan guys tungod sa mga 2021. So, na kay mga dili malimdan dere guys. So, agi lang ko dereng lugar. Agi lang ko. So, shout out diri sa akong mga tropa, mga dicer from ang store. Daghang salamat.